Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use FIFA Official App for World Cup 2026. So to start, go ahead and download the app first. So go to App Store. Then from here, search for FIFA Official App or search for FIFA World Cup 2026. Then scroll down and click on this one. So make sure you choose the right logo. Then once you do that, click on Get or the cloud icon. So it should show up in here if you haven't downloaded the app yet. So I've already downloaded the app, so it says here open. So once you've installed the app, so click on open to launch the app, then sign in or sign up to FIFA official app. Now this app provides live scores, match schedules, team standings, lineups and statistics, match notifications, fan planner, and tournament updates. Now, to watch and follow the FIFA World Cup 2026, so at the bottom, go to tournament. Then from here, go to scores and fixtures. Next, scroll up. Then here you can see where to watch. So select your country or region. For example, let's select USA or New Zealand. So let's choose New Zealand right here, and down here it will show you all of the platforms where you can watch FIFA tournament. So choose the platform where you want to watch the World Cup 2026, and then under watch on these platforms, just click on it and it will redirect you to that website. So once you're here, sign in or sign up and then use a free trial, or you can subscribe to the website. And that's basically it. So that's how you can use FIFA official app to watch for World Cup 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.